guys. See, we have to, I show you how to clean the daily clean, simple cleaning of the teeth of the dogs. Okay, simple cleanings. I use Oramax, guys. Then the cloth, the finger courtesy, guys. Then you put a bit in the cloth. See, a bit only, guys. See, every day must do this one. You know, the mouth of the dog is not smelly. If you every day you do this one daily, see, simple lang, guys. See, okay. Yeah, see, right. Gucci. Guys, Oramax I think is better than toothpaste. See, very simple, guys. See, simple cleaning. Almost every day you must do it. See, you have to do twice. You know, twice. Then put a bit first, then do another twice. Okay. Smells good. You see, this one is a simple cleaning of the teeth of the dog. Thank you for watching, guys.